morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are going to demonstrate again. We are going to have a video review of this new smartwatch, the X8 Smartwatch. This time we're going to install the support app for the X8. Okay, checking on the user manual, it is using the HRYfine app. Okay, so we have here the QR code in the user manual. So it is available in iOS and Android, and it is using the HRYfine app. Okay, so we're going to demo it. We already installed the application here. We have the HRYfine app. Okay, you see it here. Okay, and we'll see if it's compatible or if it's easy to install the app. Again, all you have to do is just search for the HRYfine app in the Android platform or in the Google Play. Okay, so let me show it to you. HRYfine. So let's see. Our internet connection right now is a bit lousy, so it may take some time. So we have here the QR code. You can search it or scan it with your QR code scanner, or it is available here in the smartwatch. Okay, let me show it to you. So let's go. Let's see if we have here X8. Is it available here? Really? Let's see. Grid style. So we change it to the grid style, so it is very easy to look for the options here. So we have here the QR code. You can scan it here. If you are having a hard time looking for the options or the QR code, just go to the smartwatch. You have here the QR code. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's go back to its main menu, main options, the style here. Okay, so we have here the HRYfine app. Okay, with 1 million plus download. Okay, so March 20, that's always updated, available in different languages. Okay, and very lightweight, 32.55 MB in the Android platform. Okay, so later we're going to update it, but right now let's open it and connect it to our X8 smartwatch. Okay, let's tap on the HRYfine again, making sure that your Bluetooth connectivity is turned on, as you can see here. So let's go to the HRYfine app, and it is looking for the device. Okay, just tap on the add device here. It will search for the smartwatch. So we have here the name already, X8 Smartwatch. Okay, for example, you don't have the name here. All you have here is just a code. Just go to the settings of your smartwatch. Okay, go to the about option. Let's go here. Okay, let's go back again to the grid stuff so it will be easy. We have here for the about section. Okay, so there are some smartwatches without a proper name, only code. Just go to the about section and you will see it here. Okay, you see the code here, E38DF9EF0437. You see it here. Let's have a closer look. Okay, Okay, you see it here. Sometimes it's all symbols, so just look it on the smartwatch. So it's now connecting. So bind phone. Okay, just tap on OK. Successful connection of equipment. Okay, please turn on self launch permission. Okay, and that's it. We are connected. Okay, we have successfully connected our smartwatch to our support app. As you can see, it's very easy. Okay, so pair and connect. Just pair. Go to dial management here. Let's see. Okay, so we have a lot of options here. So the OS here seems pretty similar to the upgraded or to the Y68 Plus. Even the watch faces here. There are some new additional watch faces here, but the settings are pretty similar. Okay. It's also using the same app. Okay. So that's it. Okay, if you want to select watch faces here, just tap on it. Okay, so what are the options here? Let's see. Goal settings, health data. Okay, we have the graphs here, the sports. So we have at least 4 default: walking, running, cycling, and indoor running. Okay, dial mall. So we have here the dial mall. So it is not available in the Y68. We'll see if it's working here for the X8. So in the dial management, we have at least how many? 11 watch faces here. Okay, and we also have the custom watch faces here. Let's check for the dial mall. So that's it. Okay, so we have a lot of options. We'll check more on this on our third video. Okay, let's check first for the permission settings here. Okay, mine. We have here phone book, health data. I'm looking for the app settings here. I can't find it. Guess that's the settings here. Okay, so here in the, what is that location? Hand ring settings. Okay, so self timer, we have set entire reminder, message reminder, vibration on, power saving on, do not disturb mode. We also have the language settings, synchronize system time, raise to wake option. We also have it here. Let's turn it on. Okay, and for the message reminder, we have supported apps here: SMS, WeChat, QQ reminder, Facebook, Twitter, Line, WhatsApp, KakaoTalk, and Instagram. Okay, so let's see. So that's it, the option. We also have the phone book here, option here. So these are the settings for your smartwatch. So far, easy connectivity, no issues with a synchronization. The smartwatch or the support app HRYfine is able to locate the smartwatch, and we have the options here. Again, let's go back to the different options available in your smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the contacts. You can synchronize it to your smartphone, so it will be loaded to your smartwatch. We have the dial option for its Bluetooth call, message option. You can read the messages right in the smartwatch. We have the sports function. We have the running, skipping. What else? We have cycling, climbing, pedometer, sleep, health, Bluetooth camera, stopwatch, find phone, torch. What is torch? White background. Okay, somewhat like a flashlight. Bluetooth camera. Find phone. Let's see. Long press to enter. Finding. Okay, so it's working. Oh, very loud. Okay, cancel. So far it works. And what else do we have here? Brightness adjustment, settings, the weather. Does it work, the weather? Let's see. Okay. Facebook, Twitter. Okay, we have preloaded apps here. How does it work? No messages. Okay, you can read the messages directly here. The tweets. And that's it. Okay, for the sports, let's see. So we have here the kilometer, calories, and the time. So far, no issues with the connection and installation of your smartwatch to the support app for your X8 smartwatch. Again, watch out for our another video for the installation of watch faces for your X8 smartwatch. We'll have a separate video for that. Again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, especially the installation of the support app and synchronization to your smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Goodbye.